Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make burgers at home. First, select ground beef with an 80/20 lean-to-fat ratio for the best flavor and juiciness. Gently form your patties, aiming for about 1/3 of a pound each. Make a small indentation in the center of each patty. This helps prevent them from bulging during cooking. Remember, avoid overworking the meat to ensure your burgers stay tender and delicious. Now let's get those patties ready for the heat. Season them generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper right before they hit the pan. Heat a cast iron skillet or grill to a medium-high temperature. It needs to be very hot to get that perfect sear. Cook each patty for about 3 to 4 minutes per side if you prefer a juicy, medium-rare burger. Adjust cooking time for your desired doneness. As your burgers finish cooking, it's time to add the cheese. Place a slice of your favorite, like cheddar or American, on top during the last minute to allow it to melt perfectly. Don't forget to toast your burger buns lightly on the grill or in the skillet. This adds a wonderful texture and prevents sogginess. Gather your preferred toppings, including fresh lettuce, ripe tomatoes, and crisp onions, for a personalized touch. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Let the cooked patties rest for about 2 minutes before placing them on the toasted buns. This helps the juices redistribute, keeping your burger moist. Layer your toppings and sauces as desired. Serve your incredible homemade burgers immediately with your favorite sides, like crispy fries or a fresh salad, and enjoy the delicious results of your efforts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.